everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a packing guide. I just got back from a California coast road trip, which is one of my favorite road trips in the world. We started in San Diego and made our way to San Francisco, stopping at some of the most beautiful places on earth, if I do say so myself. The California coast road trip starts in either San Diego or San Francisco. You can start from bottom to top or top to bottom. It doesn't really matter which way you choose to go. But the coastline takes you along the coast of Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo, Big Sur, where you can see the famous Pixie Bridge, any Big Little Lies fans in the house, and Monterey, all the way up to San Francisco. I put together a super easy packing list for a 1-week summertime road trip, and while I took my road trip in California, this will work for anywhere that you're taking your road trip this summer. So let's get packing. First things first, let's talk about a bag. So this is the Low & Sons Catalina Deluxe Weekender bag. Say that 5 times fast. This is the perfect road trip bag for me. I like having a soft bag for a road trip because it's kind of like a game of Tetris in the trunk, trying to make sure all the bags fit. So I just find that a tote type bag or a canvas bag tends to work a little bit better. And what I love about the Catalina Deluxe bag is that it holds everything I need and keeps things really organized. So some of my favorite features of the bag are that there is a separate bottom section to separate your shoes from your clothes, very important, and lots of little zippers and compartments for you to keep everything organized all week long. First things first, I always start by packing shoes first because it's really easy to overpack and bring way too many pairs of shoes. So I actually think about my shoes and plan my outfits around my shoes. It sounds a little backwards, but I promise you it makes your life a lot easier and your luggage a lot lighter. So first things first are sandals. I bring a pair of sandals on every trip, and I actually designed these sandals to be the perfect travel sandal because they're super comfortable and they're a neutral brown that go with pretty much everything. The next thing you need on any trip are a pair of trainers, especially on a road trip. If you're going to be doing any hiking or exercise, it's just an essential and you're probably going to need them. Then I always have a pair of comfortable walking sneakers. For me, that is my Converse. As you can see, they're very well loved and they've been around the world with me a few times. So I bring these on every single trip. And my last pair of shoes are something that I can dress up an outfit with, but they're also practical. So for me, I personally never pack black shoes. It's that one pair of shoes that doesn't really go with everything. I tend to avoid black clothes generally speaking, so browns and whites tend to work for more outfits with me because even a pair of brown boots like this will go with an all black outfit. So like I mentioned, what's so great about the Low & Sons Catalina Deluxe bag is that there's a separate compartment for your shoes. It is padded, so if you were to also use it instead for, let's say, a laptop or something, you can really use it for whatever, but I put my shoes in here. And as you can see, it fits 4 pairs of shoes perfectly. So the first thing that I'm gonna pack is the bulky stuff, and that's jackets and denim. So I bring a denim jacket on every trip, and since it's a road trip, I have a leather jacket as well. I always like to pack the bigger stuff on the bottom. It just lets me see how much more space I have and maybe I'm bringing too much bulky stuff. Since it's a summer trip, it's probably enough to have these 2 jackets. I am going to start with packing the leather jacket on the very bottom, but I'm actually going to set aside the denim jacket because realistically speaking, I'm going to be wearing this on the road trip, so I'm going to keep this out and with me at all times. Next up is denim. So I bring a pair of jean shorts on every summer trip, and I also bring a light jean and a dark jean. I like a black jean so that I can dress up an outfit. It also goes with pretty much everything. And if I were to wear my denim jacket with denim pants, we love a good Canadian tuxedo, but I just like to break up the denim a bit. So I also bring a casual pair of light jeans that I can wear with just a t-shirt on days that I'm feeling, just want to feel comfortable, or on a day where we're driving a lot. These are my go-to. So what I do with my denim is I like to pack it in a packing cube with my activewear. They're kind of in the same category for me They're things that I'm probably gonna wear most days. With all of my clothes that I'm gonna pack on this trip, we're gonna use packing cubes, and this is gonna go in with my activewear. So for activewear, I bring 1, maybe 2 outfits for exercise and fitness on any trip, and that's because realistically speaking, it's a 1-week trip, and the chances of me needing 2 outfits is maybe a bit overkill, but this is definitely personal preference. I have 1 pair of leggings for yoga and hiking and whatever I might need them for, a sports bra, and an active shirt that I'm gonna set aside specifically for working out and hiking. And then I also bring a lightweight windbreaker. It doesn't take up any more space than my other shirts, but it just gives me that one protective layer in case there's a little bit of wind, so I don't get cold. And I'm gonna pack my activewear and denim in the same packing cube. If you have a lot of packing cubes, by all means, go crazy. But I usually use these to the same degree where I want to access them probably once a day so they can be packed together, and then I will put them in my tote. Now for tops. I want to pack things that are versatile that are going to go with everything that I have. So I mentioned my shoes were first. So I considered the white sneakers and my brown boots and sandals. So all of these tops paired with denim work perfectly. So I have 2 tank tops, a really basic black tank that I can use to layer, and a printed tank top so that I can wear this with my jean shorts or my jean pants. Then I have just basic t-shirts. I am a t-shirt kind of girl, so a white t-shirt is an essential. In fact, maybe bring 2 in case one gets dirty. A printed t-shirt to go with my jeans, and 2 perfect for a road trip. Then I have 1 more kind of linen shirt. I don't know what material this is, but it's a little bit nicer than just a t-shirt material, so I could technically dress this up maybe with my black jeans and wear this out to dinner one night. So that is 4 t-shirts and 2 tank tops. Next, I like to bring a few long sleeve shirts because realistically it's not always going to be warm, especially when you get into the evening or early mornings. So I have 1 long sleeve white top, 1 flannel button up. I like flannel shirts because you can tie them around your waist and it kind of doubles as a lightweight jacket, or you can layer it as a top with a tank top or t-shirt. And then 1 top where I can dress up my black jeans, just a sheer black blouse that I can wear a black tank top underneath, and with a pair of boots it looks dressy enough for me, but it's also lightweight so I can wear it out during the day and it's still practical. And I'm going to put all of my tops in a packing cube, and 1 cool trick for tops is rolling them. I find that they wrinkle less if you roll them, and they sort of fit better in a small space. So I'm gonna roll all my tops, put them in the bag, and pack them. All right, and the last few outfits are dresses and rompers. So for a road trip, I'm packing 1 romper and 3 dresses. Any summertime trip, I usually bring 4 of the kind of same category of items. I might do 2 rompers and 2 dresses, or 3 rompers and a dress, but for a road trip, rompers aren't always most comfortable on driving days, so this is more for once I'm settled in a destination and exploring. I love dresses. For driving, they're just way more comfortable. So in this case, I have a short sundress, a midi wrap dress. This one goes just past my knee and a little bit open at the feet, and a long maxi dress. Any of these dresses I can wear with my brown boots or my sandals, so I could wear this dress with my boots for a nice dinner, or I can wear them with sandals and it's just a casual day look. And then this is a shorts romper that I can wear with my sandals, perfect for the beach or on a sunny day of exploring. And with my bulky items, like I said, I want to set some of them aside so I'm not packing away everything. I'm going to start my road trip in the maxi dress with my denim jacket, so I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to pack the rest of the items in a packing cube and pack it away. And I'm going to pack my undergarments and other essentials in 1 more packing cube. So I have all of that already packed. I'm going to throw in a couple of belts just to have everything organized. And then last but not least, a bikini. This is so important. Don't forget your bikinis, girls. I'm only gonna bring one on this trip, but you can bring as many as you want. I'll never say there's too many. And bring a wet dry bag. These are super cool to bring on any trip. A lot of the times I don't have an opportunity to let my bikini dry completely. So what I can do is pack it into the wet dry bag and then pack it away, and it won't leak and get the rest of my clothes wet. And the last things I'm going to pack are a pair of pajamas, my toiletries and cosmetics, and a Kindle. So now we're pretty much ready for the road trip. I changed into my maxi dress and my denim jacket, and my big bag is packed. I just want to pack a day bag and some accessories. First, I always bring a hat or hats on any trip. I love a good hat. They make for great photos and bad hair days. So I'm gonna be bringing my straw hat on my road trip. And for my day bag, I have the Low & Sons Pearl crossbody bag. This bag and all of their bags are awesome because they really take into consideration lots and lots of compartments, which keeps all of your things nice and organized. The Pearl crossbody has 2 straps, so they have one long one and one short one, which I love because you can use your long one to wear the bag as a crossbody bag during the day, and the wristlet option if you want to downsize and use it as a clutch on a night out. What I pack in it for the day is a wallet, obviously, some lip color just to retouch throughout the day, my camera, and that will go in one of the zippered compartments. And I bring 2 pairs of sunglasses on every trip, a brown and a black pair, just so I have one for every type of outfit. And these will go in the other zippered compartment. All right, so that's everything you need to pack for a 1-week summer road trip to anywhere. You can find the links to the Low & Sons bags and the packing guide in the description below. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos from around the world. See you next time, everyone.